If your Amazon ACoS is more than 30% and you've already tried lowering the bids, stop. Lowering the bids is usually not the fix. In this video I'm gonna give you 4 specific hacks that actually move the needle fast, and most sellers have not even tried a single one of them. My name is Vadim, we run a boutique Amazon PPC agency helping more than 15 clients with ad spends ranging from 5,000 a month to 200,000 a month. Now in this video I'm going to share with you the hacks that most industry experts don't even know about or mention in their online materials, such as things like auto campaigns and exact match types. Now there is a lot of, it's a common school of thought that you must negate any converting search terms when you move them from auto campaign to exact match type campaigns. So let's say I have an auto campaign with a converting word, converts super well, you move it to exact match type and you negate it in the auto campaign. Now that is one of the things that is actually going to increase your ACoS for a simple reason that auto campaign has already built a history. It's a history of that keyword, and even though it's an auto campaign and doesn't have a control over it, it tends to convert at a cheaper cost per click from my experience. So it's better to have both an auto campaign triggering that keyword that works well once in a while, an exact campaign. And besides that, when you move keywords from auto to exact, sometimes they don't even work as well. So there is no benefit of ever negating good keywords in any of the campaigns, and that in turn actually increases your ACoS. With the exception of branded keywords, and you want to segregate branded and non-branded traffic. So that is number one, never negating good keywords in discovery campaigns. Number two is quite simple, it's day parting. So what you'll have to do is look at your hourly search term data, pull it up from Amazon Ads report. Most of your competition runs advertising 24/7, but the thing is the conversion rate is not the same all the 24 hours a day. Night time usually equals lower buying intent, people browse, they just tend to add the product to their cart without worrying if they're maybe they're not gonna buy it. So pull up your hourly search term report and look at your hourly data, do a pivot table on the spreadsheet and see which hours tends to convert the best. For most sellers, and at least the accounts I manage, some of the large spenders, that typically tends to be around afternoon, and late evening is there where conversion starts decreasing, with the worst hours being night hours. So it's something you can do as well to help you stabilize your conversion rate over the period of whole day. Now the third point, and also not commonly mentioned because it's somewhat tedious and there is no tools that does it for you, is building negative search term, building negative lists for a product. There is going to be a list for your entire catalog, negating terms like your branded terms, any keywords that carry a low intent, conversion intent, like cheap, affordable, etc. And there is going to be a negative list that's specifically for your products. So based on the product you sell, you would want to eliminate all the traffic that you already know isn't going to purchase your product. If you're selling a product for adults, it will be eliminating any traffic that's for kids, for toddlers, etc. All of these search terms that are not relevant to you to begin with, so you don't need to advertise there. So you build this kind of lists for per product level, and you deploy it every time you launch campaigns for these products. And that helps you eliminate a lot of your traffic and eliminating wasted ad spend. Now, the fourth and last ACoS hack is simply reviewing your search term list every 30 to 60 days and finding what keywords tend to work well above the conversion rate. Anything that has data sufficiency, such as 20 plus clicks depending on your price, 10 plus clicks, and at least 2 orders. This kind of history, it gives you a good idea of what keywords tend to work well, and they should be added almost weekly by weekly to your campaign sets. I also published a video showing the auto campaign PPC strategy that gets you cheap clicks and the cheap ACoS. I'm gonna paste it right here. But regardless, these are the 4 ACoS hacks you can implement today that can help you lower your ACoS, without just lowering bids. That is usually not the fix. Like I said, not negating good keywords in the auto campaigns, discovery campaigns, using day parting to optimize your ads for the highest converting hours, building negative keyword lists on the product level and on the account level to eliminate the wasted ad spend and irrelevant search terms, as well as simply going through a cycle of weekly by weekly reviewing your search term lists and adding any good keywords with a good conversion history as a new targets.